Hello, good evening, grade 4. I want to explain to you the exploding dot strategy, the one we discussed during Zoom time. We will make the video to make it again review and make it easy to understand. Hopefully this video will help you guys. This is one of strategy to uh, divide numbers. Okay, I make already the numbers here. So we'll try to do the step. The first step, you need to draw the dot based on the digit number here. And the second one, group them into dividing number, like this one, 3. Okay, we'll draw the dot first. We need to draw 6 dot here because 6 in 100 place, right? So this is 100 place, this is 10 place, this is 1 place. Okay, we'll draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this one 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next step, we are going to group all dots into group of 3. Just change the color first. Okay, so this is group of 3 because we are dividing 3, right? So group of 3. This is group of 3. We have 2 group of 3. Here we have 3 group of 3, and this one. This is the answer. 231. Now we are going to draw again another dot to answer number 2. So we'll have 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we'll have 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. This one 2. 1, 2. Sorry, the dot not similar. Okay, so that's 2 dots. Okay, now you're going to group this first, okay? Group it. This one group of 4, one group of 4. This one we cannot group it into 4 because this is even not enough, right? So we will explode. If it is not enough, we need to explode it. Explode to another place value. Lower place value. Explode. So we will actually the name is exploding because the strategy exploding dot, right? But actually means we change the place value. So this is uh 1, we will explode into 10, so means we change into 10 here. Okay, because this is we explode to 10, explode to 10, explode to 10, so we will have 30 dots here. We draw 30 dots in one, right? Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you just have one here. Okay, so we have 10 with this 10. Another 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we are going to group them. Group them. Okay, can group them into group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, group of 4. Another 4. This is also 4. This one also 4. So we have, we'll count, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. We don't have any group here, so you put 0. Then here we put 4. Okay, so that's the way. Easy, right? We'll try to make another question with reminder. Okay, maybe we'll just remember. We'll type the question. Okay. Let's say we will use this question, yeah. 435 divided by 4. Okay. 425 divided by 4 equal to, so we need to add the table. We will need to have 3. So now we'll try to uh, draw the dot. We'll draw the dot. So this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one 2, 1, 2. This one 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we divide it into 4, right? So we'll group it group of 4. So this is one group of 4. And this is still not enough. We are trying to explode it. So we need to draw. Okay, we are trying to explode. So we need to draw 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 20 and 5, 25, right? So we will group them into 4. This is one group of 4. One group of 4. One group of 4. And this is one group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is remaining one, right? So you can just put it aside. You can just remember what. So this one the answer. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 reminder 1. Okay, that's the way. Okay, hopefully it's clear. This explanation clear to you. Thank you for listening. Bye.